Grate 3 boiled eggs into a bowl. Add half cup of carrot. Add a medium-sized sliced onion, 2 diced Scotch bonnet pepper. Go in with some diced spring onion. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Sprinkle in some oregano. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Cut a bread, slice into bits and add. Mix thoroughly. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix. Crack an egg, add a pinch of salt and whisk. Cut out the sides of the bread slices. Flatten both sides with a rolling pin. Add the filling, smear the sides with the egg and roll. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, set to low heat. Add the bread, roll, and fry all sides till golden brown. Remove from fire and enjoy.